everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another day in the life vlog. Today is one of those days where I'm just not feeling it. It is real dreary outside. It's been dreary all week. I haven't had much exercise this week. I'm not feeling my best, so we're just gonna thug it out and get done what needs to get done. It's gonna be kind of like a lazy day in my life where you're just not feeling it, but you just gotta get it done anyway. I'm still in my robe, and I will be in my robe for the foreseeable future today. I got a candle lit. I'm gonna be working from my bed with the little tea that I have, and I'm just gonna clear out my girl. I'm just gonna clear out my work inbox this morning, and thankfully on Fridays, like, I don't really have calls or really too many meetings, so it's like a nice little admin day. Woo woo. Which is nice. I always look forward to Fridays. And yeah, we're just gonna thug it out. I'll take you with me. I do have to film some I do have to film some YouTube videos today too. I'm starting with this vlog, and then I'm going to film 2 sit down videos as well. So hope you want to enjoy. So if you want to see this day in the life vlog, just go ahead and keep on watching, and it's just going to be a nice, chill, lazy work day in my life. So I'll catch up with you later.
I don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now.
Little update, still in my robe. I have cleared out my inbox. Oh, don't you just feel so good after clearing out your inbox? It's so clean. Everything is responded to. It's just amazing. Love it. And I took a break to eat something, and now I have to do a work training, so I'm just gonna go ahead and knock that out. I think it's gonna take me about an hour. Let's see, what time is it? It's about 10:30, and then after that I'll probably get in the shower. And then get ready to film my videos and just go ahead and knock that out. Woo-hoo. So I'll see y'all later. Good morning. Today is another day. Yesterday I just had to I had to scrap, like, it just wasn't doing it for me. So today's Saturday. I got up, I changed my clothes, I'm about to go for a walk and then get some work done. I'm just gonna continue the walk here. I'm back from my walk. It is hot out there. We went on like a 4-mile walk outside and on some walking trails, so it was super nice. Now that we're back, I'm just gonna get started with some of the things that I wanna do today. So first, I want to binge Catherine Manning's YouTube videos, some of the videos that I've missed over the past couple months. So I'm gonna watch those, and I just learned a lot from her channel, so I'll link her information down below. She kind of talks about how to make more impact on video and how to optimize your videos and all this kind of stuff. So yeah, super interesting. Then I want to do a little bit of work on my website. I also want to do an outline for an ebook that I'm writing, so super excited. And finally, I do want to shoot some YouTube videos, so I need to get ready and then set up to shoot those as well. So we'll see how much I get done today.
YouTube channel, or take one of your most successful videos or a video that you think people will find really interesting, one of your best edited videos even, and include that as your trailer, because that's going to be a great way to capture some people that aren't subscribed to your channel with hopes on transforming them into long-term subscribers.
I don't care about the things you say. Yeah. I don't even know what I want no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know.
I'm finally ready to film, and I'm so hungry, so I just put in something in the oven. To eat. So I'm gonna film a video real fast, and then hopefully I'll eat and then film the second one that I have to film after.
Right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again. I don't wanna try again. All we had were those memories, time to make some new ones. Sun is up, I'm wide awake, we're not getting younger. If you still love me, then
Good morning. I'm back. It's Sunday. Last night I just ended up doing work on my website, which you would have seen, and then we just got lost in Disney Plus while we were like working and watching TV. It was super fun. It was super nostalgic. I loved it. And today got up, went for a walk. Now we're about to go visit Brandon's my husband, his grandmother. So I'll take you guys along with us there, and then the rest of my work for today. I made a smoothie to go with my breakfast. I had a bagel this morning, so gotta get my greens in as well.
Please just let me go. I won't stay with you. I need to live my own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah, I don't even know what I want no more. Yeah.
What's up? We got back from the visit. I took some time to plan out what I'm gonna do for next week. I ate. Now I'm about to finish some more work. I gotta edit some videos. Well, I guess just one video. Do some more work on my website. And then I'm gonna hopefully be able to wind down this weekend and relax. But I also have to fold some laundry and stuff like that too. And you know what? I actually am getting some Amazon packages, so I think I'm gonna unbox those too with you guys. My packages came. What? Okay. Memory card for my new computer. So I keep a lot of video, of course, because I make YouTube videos. So I needed to get a large memory card for all of that. And I'm super excited. It's 512 gigs. So yes, I won't need to replace this for a while. What? And it also comes with an adapter because my computer has a micro SD card slot, not a full SD card slot. And I got a foam roller. I've been really into acupressure and massage and all that kind of stuff. It just really helps my body out. So I decided to get a foam roller. I'm super excited to experiment with this before like Pilates and after Pilates, and just to like kind of relax. So I'm so excited. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I also got this nail polish remover. I use gel nail polish, like I do my own gel nails at home. And this, you're supposed to, instead of like wrapping it with the foil and stuff, you can put this on and it's supposed to like come off, like file your nails down and just paint the stuff on. So it's this if you're worried about what it is. Super excited about that. I'll have to try it out and report back. So that concludes my little Amazon haul. Gotta love Amazon.
I'll figure out what to do with all my time. I know life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time. I know life, yeah. I don't wanna try again.
The video is uploading. Yes. What time is it, y'all? It's 7 o'clock on a Sunday. My video's uploading. I'm about to go take an ice cream break. And this is today's ice cream of choice. Not today's, like I eat ice cream every day. I don't. Ice cream for ice cream. Good morning. It's Monday morning, June the 1st. Ooh, girl, to my brows. This morning I got up, went for a walk. I cleaned up a little bit, took a shower, all that kind of stuff. It's just before 9 a.m. so I'm about to get started working, but I wanted to let you know that I finally finished my website. Very basic, but I just wanted to make sure to get it up so I can start putting my YouTube videos on there and blogging and what else am I gonna do on there? Oh yeah, sell my ebook and my consultations for remote work and all that kind of stuff. So yes, I finished it on May 31st at like 10, 11 o'clock at night. So excited. And I finished editing a YouTube video that actually is going up in just a couple minutes at 9 a.m. on Monday. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. You got to witness a little weekend in my life, including a lot of work that I was doing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how you feel about it. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye. The video is live. So I will link it down below for y'all. Woo woo. I'm gonna like it because,
hey everybody,
you know, self-confidence.
My name is
Okay.
Carey. I'm a remote recruiter, a digital nomad, and an
aspiring entrepreneur, and today I'm back with a video on planning for the month.
Wanna try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again. Don't wanna do this again. You must have felt this coming.